So the video you are seeing right now in the background was completely AI generated. I only used my natural language and it took me like 5 minutes to do. I'm going to show you exactly how, but watch till the end. Okay, so today I've launched a new project, which is One Context. It basically is your digital footprint as an MCP. So you connect all your sources like Notion, X, LinkedIn. It monitors all of them and stores everything about you inside of here, so you can access them in your automations in OpenClaw, in Claude Code, in ChatGPT, or any other tool that supports CLI, API, or MCP service. And I've launched it, and now I want to create a nice ChatGPT-like, OpenAI-like demo video or commercial video. And for that, we're going to use the remotion skill. First off, you need to run this command in your terminal to install the skill. When you run this, it will basically ask you to install skills. It will ask you where you want to install this to. For me, it was Claude Code. So we install this to Claude Code. I've already done this, so I can stop this. And once that is finished, you can start your Claude Code. What I do have here is, it's just my favorite terminal. This is Warp. It's a terminal integrated with AI. That's pretty handy. But what I've done is I've run Claude Code in Tmux. And then I've run cldyo, which is basically an alias to Claude Code with dangerously skilled permissions, model opus, and the nice new feature, which is experimental Claude Code experimental agent teams, allowing you to create an agent. So I've done this, and I basically told it to, let's see, let me pull up the... So I basically told it to, can you create a product demo video using the remotion skill for Postel? And then I have a skill MD where I basically just have written down what are the visual guidelines for my project. And then I also have a brand copy guidelines skill MD, which basically just tells the AI how I like to have the voicing and tone for my brand on my product. Then I told him the keyword, use rapid match cuts, and first make a plan for the video. For promotion, use our existing components. You can then see what it did was basically make this plan. I created a promotional product demo video using remotion for One Context. This video uses rapid match cuts on brand styling, white plus dark green, accent, interguised font, which basically comes from my skill MD files, and recreates the product's key screens as remotion compositions. No live browser caption needed. So what it did was just make the plan for what scenes, what text, and what will be visible on that certain keyframe. You see a total of roughly 30 seconds. And then the technical plan, it would create the remotion project and create all the scenes in there. We don't need to go into the specifics of how remotion works. And it would reuse existing component patterns that we already have from the landing page from the product itself, which is pretty nice. It will use my brand colors from my app and then do the match cut implementation. Yeah, I then just told it to go on. What it then did was just to launch a team of agents to do all the scenes, 11 scenes in parallel. So 11 agents launched, doing all the scenes in parallel. Just a couple minutes later, this screen popped up, and let's watch the video from the beginning. This is one prompt, one shot, and you can already see this is pretty insane. It's not perfect, like it's flickery at the beginning, but this is, I can't edit videos. So for me as a developer and someone that knows how to use Claude Code, this is insane. Here we just need to add the icons. This is a bit buggy, but This is really, really great. Now we just need to iterate over the video in natural language. Tell him to I'll just go over these step by step. Yeah, I then went over it for like 5 to 10 more minutes, ironing out the details, doing some iterations, and you've already seen the final video at the beginning of this video. I hope you liked it. If you like this format, let me know in the comments below. I will do my best to do more of this stuff and sharing my workflows and all the new AI stuff that's going on. Because I know it's hard to keep track and see real-world applications for them.